What's up, good people? It's your boy, aka PD, and I'm in the building. I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I was driving around in this awesome weather, hanging out with my wifey on my right, and we was chilling in the Jeep with the top down, and something came to mind. Parents, this one is for you. Young people, this one is for you. It might even be a good idea to come together and watch this together. Here's what I wanted to share with you, why it might be appropriate to wait for your partner in marriage before doing the do. Why might you want to preserve yourself before crossing over into that adult lifestyle? And I was thinking about this, man, and I'm going to share three tips as to why you might want to wait before doing that thing that is reserved. In my opinion, I mean, not everybody thinks like this, but in my opinion, it's reserved for marriage. So this is so good that I didn't even want to just come off the top of my head. I wanted to share these three tips, these three reasons why you might want to chill out and slow down before doing the do. Feel me? And it's so powerful that I wanted to read it to you. I wanted to share it with you, read it to you, and then talk about it. I want to talk to you about tip number one. Who you are today is not who you're going to be tomorrow. Let that sink in, especially at age 14, 15, all the way through about like 25. Listen to this, guys. The teenage years and early 20s are seasons of becoming, not settling. It's a time to become something. You don't want to settle and be, well, this is who I think I am, and well, this is where I think I need to go. No, you don't want to settle for what somebody else's expectations of you are. You want to know who you are. And between the ages of 14 to 25, that's not the time to do that. Listen to this. Between 15 and 25, your identity, dreams, and values are still forming. You're discovering who you are apart from your parents, your school, and your peers. Let that sink in, guys. This age of school is not so you can go and live it up. It's for you to discover who you are away from your parents, your family, your loved ones, your dog, your fish, your hamster. That's what this time is for. Listen to this. If you give yourself away too early, emotionally, physically, or spiritually, you may end up attaching your future to someone who fits your current feelings, but not your future calling. Bro, that's so powerful. You give yourself away too early, you probably find out that you attach yourself to somebody that you're tied to for the moment. But what happens when the moment change? What happens 5 years, 6 years, 7 years later, where the person that you were, you don't even like that person anymore. And here you are married or attached physically, emotionally, or even sexually or spiritually to somebody that you don't even like anymore, or an era of yourself that you don't even like anymore. You want to make sure that you don't give yourself away too fast. Can't go without sharing what God wants. God wants you to grow into who you're meant to be before you tie your destiny to someone else's. Why would you tie your destiny to somebody that don't even know where you're going? How can you tie yourself to a destiny with someone who knows where they're going, where at this early age in life, you don't even know where you're going? And I'm going to be real with you. Some kids, some adults don't even know where they're going. 35, 45, 55. They don't know where they're going. So this is one reason. Reason number one, you don't want to give yourself away too soon. Let's look at reason number two. Love should add to you, not replace you. We don't want it to take away, and we don't want it to replace you. When I say I love you to my wife, that means I'm willing to die for her. But there's a lot of kids like I was. Yeah, like I was when I was younger, and I would say, I love you, but you know I love you. And when I would say things like that, what I was doing, I was trying to just get what I was trying to get. You feel me? So a lot of times when people say, I love you, what they're saying is, I love what you do for me. And I know that's hard to hear, but check that love language. Are they loving to take? Or are they loving to replace? Or are they loving to give? Because love is sacrificial. Love means I'm going to put you before myself. So keep that in mind. The right relationship won't require you to lose yourself to keep it. That's powerful. The right relationship is not going to require you to lose yourself so you can keep the relationship. No, if I have love for you, my job is to cultivate you and to see you blossom into everything God wants you to be, everything your parents know that you can be, everything that you are destined to be. That's what love does. Love cultivates. It doesn't stifle. It doesn't crush. It doesn't destroy or tear down. It's not like Hurricane Melissa. Love builds you up. This is powerful. Remember, we're talking about step number 2. Love should add to you and not replace you. When young people fall in love, it's easy to make that person the center of their world, changing goals, values, even faith just to please them. That's crazy. You have this favorite dress and this favorite style that you like to wear, and all of a sudden you got a boyfriend. You say he's just a friend. And he comes into the picture. He's like, I like you, man. I think you're cute. I think you're fine. I think you're fire. But I don't like you in that dress. What are you going to do? Why would you allow somebody that don't even really know the real you, the person that cries at night, the things that make you cry at night, your favorite color, what your favorite food is? Why would you let that person cause you to change up your swag? I'm just saying. But healthy love doesn't erase identity. It celebrates it. If you have to shrink to fit into their life, it's not love. It's limitation. Man, you want to be in a relationship where you're free to do what you want to do. And that person can freely love to free you, not to control you, but the person that is free, the person that is truly you. And here's the other thing. If you want to pretend to be something you're not, that's going to wear you out because you got to be that the rest of your life. So what kind of relationship or imprisonment really would you want to get into that would cause you to have to feel like you got to do things a certain way the rest of your life? That ain't no love. That ain't no relationship. Make sure you find yourself by yourself until God brings you what is necessary for yourself. The truth is, the one that's meant for you will protect your purpose and not pull you from it. It ain't going to think about itself and be selfish. It's going to consider you before them, because true love is selfless. And that's the difference between godlike love, which is selfless, or worldly love, or carnally thinking or carnally minded love, and that's selfish. All right, so let's jump into point number 3. I think this is good, man. I'm having a good time. I hope you're learning something. Make sure you share this to somebody else, because this is for adults. This is for young people. This is the unveiling truth to the nations, showcasing the love of God to those that need it. So make sure you like, share, comment, and share this out to everybody. This is going to help young people not give themselves away to people that don't even deserve their love too soon. This is why you might want to preserve yourself for marriage. I'm just saying, it saves all of that garbage and all of that entanglement, the snares of life. It saves you the headaches of that. You have less baggage to bring into your marriage. Just some things to consider. This is pretty good. Let's jump into point number 3. What you wait for is worth more than what you settle for. Jeez. All right. Listen to this, guys. It's a key point. Waiting isn't punishment at all. It's preparation. Waiting is not punishment. It's preparation. Every decision about your body, emotions, and future is a seed. When you wait, you're not losing time. You're investing in it. Guys, the most 2 precious things in life is time and your health. Those 2 things, when they're taken away, you can't get that back. So you have to invest in the things that you believe in. Believe in yourself enough to invest in it, because you're worth it. Your time is valuable and your health is worth it. Why would you take drugs or why would you take candy from a person that you don't know? No. Don't take those chances, man. You're worth it, and you need to know that. It's not enough for us, my wife and I and our family, to believe in you. It's not even enough for God to believe in you, and we do. It's more important that you believe in yourself. So come out, be around people that are like me. Be around people that love you because of who you are, not because of what they can get from you. And they are going to help cultivate you into the purpose and destiny God has for your life. You are allowing God to prepare the right person and strengthen your sense of purpose so that when love comes, it's built to last, not just a feel-good experience. By waiting, guys, you're allowing yourself and God to prepare you for the right person. You want to be careful not to become something you're not by hanging out with the wrong environment or company. Know who you are. Know your worth. Know it's so much that can't nobody tell you nothing. Can't nobody tell you nothing about you because you already know that. Can't nobody tell my daughter about her. She already know who she is. My mama and my wife and I and her grandmother, my wife's mama, we all put something in her, including her brother. We put something in her that she knows her self-worth. Can't nobody just slip up in her life and trip her up because we already told her she's special. We already told her she's valuable. She already knows that and she believes it. So make sure you know that. Get yourself around people that believe in you and want to see you better. The truth is, the wait refines your worth. What God is writing is worth not rushing. Don't rush it. You don't have to rush to grow up. God knows exactly what you need. Your parents knows exactly what you need. And in time, you're going to run right into it. Don't search for it. This time of being quiet and learning who you are is to develop your own bricks. Someday, you're going to have to use those bricks to build your house. So take your time, young man. Take your time, young lady, to develop your bricks, your education, your career, your decision-making process, your community. Take your time to develop those bricks because one day, those are the very same bricks you're going to use to build your house. Don't let nobody come in your life, no guy, no girl, and sway you from your purpose and your destiny. You're valuable. I believe it. My wife believes it. Discover Life and all the churches in the area believes it. And we want you to become everything God intended for you to be. Stop playing around with these knuckle-dragging jokers. Stop playing around with them. Stop playing around with these girls that can't really see their value, so they're searching for anyone. Ladies, stop playing around with where's my husband trying to be something you're not to impress somebody in the church. You don't have to do that, or on your job, or at the library, or in the mall. Just be yourself. It's the easiest thing you'll ever have to do. Be yourself. And over a period of time, that won't become a job. Can you imagine trying to be something you're not the rest of your life? Now that's a job. But just being yourself and let those that fall in love with you because of who you are, not what you're trying to be. So that's my nuggets for you guys, man. Listen, parents, share this with your kids. They need to hear this. Kids, share this with your parents. Single moms, this is for you. Single fathers, by the way, single dads, you're doing a great job. I want to encourage you. Stay involved in your kids' life. That's amazing. It's a major investment, and your kids feel valued when you speak to them and when you tell them you love them and when you tell them you're proud of them. Stay involved in their lives. Way to go, Dad. I'm proud of you. But get this out, man. Share this to a couple of people. Make sure they know that we know that you know they're worth it. All right? 3 reasons why you might want to keep yourself until marriage. God bless y'all. Let's go. This is the unveiling where we say so, be so. Let's go.